Isa sa mga salon na binabalik-balikan ko at nag-aalaga talaga ng hair ko ang Glam Glide Beauty Salon. At ngayon nga June 9, 10, and 11, may special deals ang Glam Glide Beauty Salon para sa mga kadorabels ko. 5 services for 100 reals plus 3 services using my code Dora the Nurse. So total of 8 services ang makukuha mo for 100 reals lang. At kung gusto mo naman mag-upgrade ng 8 services plus 3 services, total of 11 services for only 200 reals. At ito naman yung pasabog, 10 services plus 3 services for only 250 reals. Total of 13 services ang maa-avail mo. At napakadali nga lang ng mechanics para ma-avail nyo yung plus 3 services. I-follow nyo lang si Glam Glide Beauty Salon at syempre ang kadorabels nyo. Please take note lang mga kadorabels, book at least 1 day in advance. Bawal ang same day booking. Yung mga walk-in at saka unconfirmed bookings, baka mag-antay kayo na matagal. Kasi naman every time nagpupunta ako dito, lagi silang full house. Kaya kailangan nyo mag-advance booking para makasave ng time. Kaya secure your appointment now kasi 3 days deals lang to. At another salon packages for only 300 reals, pwede ka makakuha ng 5 major services. And for your reference mga kadorabels, pa-screenshot na lang uli. And another June special combo deals, grabe, ang dami nilang pasabog. At ito nga yung inabail ko, hair protein with color treatment for only 500 QR. At ako mismo magpapatunay na tumatagal siya ng 8 months to 1 year kasi yung last hair protein ko dito is 1 year ago pa. Kaya kung gusto mo magpa-beauty at mag-relax without breaking your wallet, Glam Glide Beauty Salon got you covered.